Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is homework number 3. Inshallah the deadline will be next Sunday, March 24. This homework is really crucial because it will be very close to what is required in the exam. So being able to solve this will really help you solve the midterm exam. Okay, so I'm not saying of course it's exactly the same or this, but I'm saying that the techniques used here will be of a great help to you in the exam. Okay, so the homework is that you're going to create a library locus application. What does this app do? It loads all the books from a specific API which will be provided for you. This is the JSON file that you're gonna get from this link that is provided for you. And once you get from this link, of course this link is in the PDF itself, so if you click on this external API link, it will take you to this link, and this is the link that you need to use in developing your app. Okay, so what are the features of this app? Initially you list the books like this, then you should be able to add a book, allow users to add a book, you should allow users to update a specific book, and also you should allow users to search and filter for books. And finally, the user should also be able to delete a specific book. Okay, so I'm going to show you a demo of the app. This is how the app will look like initially. If they want to, for example, once the first time the application loads, it loads all the data from the API. However, the subsequent calls will not be from the API, but they will be from the local storage. Okay, so all the books were downloaded and they were saved in this local storage. So what's the next step? Now if the user deletes a book, it should be removed from here, and even if I refresh it, I should not see that book again. So it will start with this ant. If I remove the ant book, then we no longer get that ant book. Okay, so removes from here as well as from the local storage. Search works this way. It either searches in the title or in the name. So if I, for example, copy the name Jeremy and I paste it here, I get only this book for Jeremy. But if I have GER, the word GER might be, it's in the name of all of these guys. This is Jeremy, this is Jeremy, and that's Jeremy. But what if I just wrote PAL? I write PAL now, Control F, PAL is found also only on the name, but I can also type ASP.NET here, and it should also filter ASP.NET for me, all the books in ASP.NET. So what's happening in the search bar is that it either matches the authors or the title. Okay, so if we find any title that has this name or any author that has this name, we will return back those data. The final two features are the add. You should allow the person to add a book, for example a new book, this date, blah blah. Of course they need to be validated, but just for the demo purpose I turned off that feature because I don't want to enter each and every one of them. And here you go. Okay, so this is the newly added book into the, of course I can also remove this book. Finally, update. If you press on the update button, and now this book is, as you can see, published. I can change it to draft, so I can change some value of it. It is also relevant action. I can put 2, and then let me save, and then now it says relevant 2 and then draft. Okay, so updating means you update some of the information of this book, and as soon as they press update, it should show. Every time, of course, I press add, I can also cancel. It should hide this form, and if they submit something, it should also hide the form. Okay, once they submit the newly added book. Okay, so that's the homework. I hope this video gives you an idea of what is expected for you in the homework. Good luck. Assalamu alaikum.